Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's video on Microsoft PowerPoint creating effective presentations. Creating effective presentations is vital for successful projects within PowerPoint. My name is Alex Ward, and I will be guiding you through this video. In this video, we will create an effective PowerPoint presentation. We will explore proper ways to develop and present slideshows using appropriate text fonts, high-quality images, a pleasing color palette, clean transitions, and animations. Lastly, if we require help, we can always refer to one of the templates provided as a starting point for our presentation. For our presentation, we want to use proper and professional text fonts. While there are a variety of expert designer fonts for us to choose from, we should select simple fonts that look clean and are easy to read. Some fonts that can achieve this include Arial, Times New Roman, Calibri, Cambria, and Garamond. For our presentation, we will use Garamond as our font style. With our new font, let's type the title, Our Presentation, for our first slide to examine the font. An important thing to keep in mind is that our audience is supposed to listen to us speak during the presentation and not read what we say. The PowerPoint presentation should have imagery to support the ideas we are conveying instead of paragraphs of information. In that case, we need to keep the amount of text in our display to a minimum, while still having the key points of our presentation in our text. We do not want the viewers to read what's on the slides. Instead, we want them to focus on listening to our presentation. For example, if we are giving a presentation on our favorite foods, we want to create a list of our favorite foods instead of typing a long description of why we like the food. Let's do this by creating a new slide and creating a bulleted list of our favorite foods. For mine, I will enter pizza, sushi, spinach puffs, and fried chicken. It is acceptable to use images without any words on our slides within our presentation. The pictures must be good quality and relate to our subject. We do not want to include pixelated, blurry, or confusing images that might be difficult for our audience to interpret. We want to stay on topic of what we are showcasing. To assess the quality of our pictures, we can preview our presentation. If an image appears distorted or unsuitable, we need to adjust it or use a different one. Using the right color palette for our presentation is essential for creating a cohesive PowerPoint presentation. We should aim to use colors that harmonize well together. A good rule of thumb is to use a maximum of 2 complementary colors. If we are having trouble choosing a good color palette, there are websites online, like this, which shows us what color complements each other. Alternatively, we can use only one color, although the usage of 2 colors is preferred. We should employ basic animations, transitions, and effects to keep our presentation professional and successful. These should not distract attention from our message and remain subtle yet noticeable. By doing so, we can enhance the professionalism of our presentation. The design of our presentation should be clean and uncluttered, as mentioned previously. We should avoid excessive use of effects and styles. In our case, less is more, so we should adhere to the simple designs provided. It is imperative to use professional fonts that are not overly intricate, keep the amount of text to a minimum, incorporate high-quality images, and establish an appealing color palette for the overall presentation. We can use templates to help us organize and design our presentation if we have trouble creating an effective presentation. Let's navigate to the File tab in the ribbon and then click on the New section. Here we will find a variety of templates to choose from. Let's select the Atlas template and pick red for the color. Now in the main window, let's select the New Slide drop-down menu. Here we see that the slides are now designed in the same way as our template, making it easy for us to create an effective presentation. In this video, we explored what an effective presentation looks like with Microsoft PowerPoint using effective fonts, quality images, appealing color palettes, and simple effects. If you have any questions or would like more information on Microsoft PowerPoint and other computer literacy topics, please visit our website at weber.edu/clc.